To add a Zelle recipient on the Chase app, start by opening the Chase mobile app on your phone and logging into your account using your username and password. Once you've signed in, you'll be taken to the dashboard, where you can view a list of your accounts and balances. At the bottom of the screen, there's a menu. Find and tap on the Pay and Transfer button. This will take you to the Pay and Transfer screen, where you'll see a Manage Recipients button. Tap on this to add or remove recipients. You'll then be given two options: Zelle and Wire and Global Transfers. Select Zelle, and you'll be taken to the recipient screen, which displays any existing recipients you've added previously. To add a new recipient, find the Add button in the top right corner and tap on it. On the Add Recipient screen, enter the recipient's name, followed by their address, which can be either a phone number or an email. After selecting the email option, you'll see a confirmation that the email has been added. Tap Add Recipient to complete the process, and you'll receive confirmation that the recipient has been added. Chase will also send a notification about the new recipient. You can now send or request money to this recipient. Alternatively, you can also use the Chase website to add a Zelle recipient.